Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can fix the issue of your reels not showing up on Instagram. So let's get right into it now. If you're having this problem, I'm not at the moment, so I can't show you guys what it looks like, but usually it's going to be shown as an empty reel space with pretty much blank text fields, where it's just going to change color by, sliding, and that's pretty much showing you that the reel is loading, but that it can't load up. I myself, as I mentioned, I'm not having this problem. However, there are some general tips which I can give you to troubleshoot your problem best. Now, the first thing I would recommend you do, go into your apps, locate Instagram and go into Instagram storage and clear the cache on your app, since corrupted cache files are the most common cause of issues such as this. Now, if that doesn't work, you can clear the data or reinstall Instagram. That might also fix it. But other than that, it might be your internet connection, which is the problem. If you're on Wi-Fi, you need to troubleshoot your internet connection, make sure everything is good and secure. If it's not, you should do a speed test online to figure out if it's your problem or a problem that's specific to you, or if it's with your ISP. If it's with your ISP, then you should go ahead and contact them to see when the fix is gonna come around. And if it is you, you can try restarting your router. You can try a couple of different things, pretty much the standard internet troubleshooting steps. And if it's on Instagram still, even if your connection is good, you can go over into your profile. Just go into your profile page, click on the three horizontal lines at the top right, scroll down until you get to your app and media, go into data usage and make sure data saver is off, since this disables the preloading of reels, which is intended to save you data if you're on your own data plan. However, that is pretty much all the tips that I have in mind. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.